Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This is, I have cleaned and purged, and I am now going through all these VCRs. My goodness, I have thrown so much stuff away. I don't even want to show you what's in the dumpster outside, but lots and lots of equipment. And what I'm doing right now is I'm taking VCRs that I have put aside over time that have just clogged or stopped working. So I've moved them aside over time, and I'm just testing them out right now and cleaning the video heads because I'm just always so busy, and like something goes off and then you just pull it, and then let's have a look here. So this is what you need to be doing, well, what any transfer company needs to be doing if they are maintaining their equipment, which is everything, especially this day and age. All of these players and everything are all going, they're just constant maintenance, especially as these players get older, the tapes are degrading more, mold, all this kind of hidden junk that's inside of these VCRs. Is that focusing? So I'm going through this right now. It's 7:51 on a Saturday evening. Ooh, that didn't look good. Would help if I plugged it in. Come on, I need a crap extension cord here to... Here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, and my goodness, I'm woefully unprepared here. All right, let's see. I've been at this all afternoon, cleaning, purging, out, left and right. That doesn't sound good, does it? Okay, so this is running right now. Nothing's coming up. So you can see the eject right there. This tape I did just test in another player. I'm gonna get a chamois tip. Here we go, there's a clean one here, isopropyl, and give this a good dousing. And let's see, look, you can see it's clean right there. I'm gonna just gently pressure it against the video head, and let's see what comes off. Look at that, boom. This simple practice right here seems to be the nemesis of every transfer company because they are just churning out junk because the players are junk and they're blaming customers' tapes, as I say over and over again in my videos. Yeah, look at that. I mean, whoa! Let's see if that, yeah, even that, oh my goodness. All this takes, look at that, this fluff right here. That is a prime example. Right there, look, see that? If it's focusing, it's like a fluff ball. And that can come off of tapes. If you're not inspecting and physically cleaning the outside, you've got to clean the outside. All of this bit in here, all of this needs to be cleaned out, air blasted with compressed air, because people have left stuff in absolute disgusting conditions. And then that all ends up inside of the VCR. And then sometimes you're having to redo tapes over and over again because you turn your back and everything's gone to crap. And then you got to start the tape over again. Well, I do at least anyway. Most companies don't. They just blame the tape. This is like not in focus, is it? Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Let's see. So let's try that tape again and pop it in. It sounds better already. No. Probably still. Oh, there we go. What happened there? Probably needed a second to dry. Yeah. Okay. And then what I do with these VCRs to keep track of what's what, just put a little green sticker on it. And then I've got my, here we go, a little label maker, today's date. And I stick that on there. So that is clean, and the date that I cleaned it, let's just double check. Bingo. Okay. I don't even put screws back in it because I gotta take these lids off so many times. Okay, that one is good to go. So let's start with the next one. And let's plug this one in. Excuse the, there we go. All right, let's plug this one in. Let's take this out. We got a left channel. Okay. Okay, this one's got the screws in it. Okay, let's do it. Come on. There we go. That should be it. There we go. Okay, let's see what's going on with this one. Let's pop that tape back in. And, oh dear. There we go. Pop that in. I can hear it. Okay, this one, you can hear the audio. Listen to the audio. Even though the picture's good, it's out of focus, that's on the original. But you can hear. Yep. All right, well, let's see if we can fix that. Let's zoom out here, there's butter. Oh, my goodness. Let's see, chamois tips. Whew. Okay. There's some dusty bits and bobs here. All right, so yep, look at that. Even though there's clear picture and audio, wow, that's like proper. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see. Okay, let's check it now. Even though the picture was good, I do have a little fan here that I use. I'm gonna pull this out in a while. Let's see. Oh my God, this is. There we go. Bit useless, but you know, there we go. Whee! Oop. All right, let's see. Pop that in. Let's see if the audio's improved. Yeah, it's a bit squeaky. No. I'm not liking that. Okay, I'm going to put the lid back on that, and I'm going to put a little notation on it. Audio is shite, so I can go back and revisit that. Let's have a look here. Okay, audio bad. So, audio issue 224, 24. Alright, so I'm just going to put that on there like that. If it sticks, put it like that. And then I'm going to put a red. Where's my red stickers? Let's see. Red stickers. Okay. I'm going to put red. And that's that. So I'm going to pull that. That one's. And if it requires fixing in terms of more trouble than it's worth or money than it's worth, then I will use it as a rewinder. Let's see. And it could also be that tape. Really, I should have tried it with another videotape just in case. Come on. There we go. Put that in there. And all right. So this is what you have to be doing constantly with all of this stuff here. I mean, this is just basic maintenance that is required constantly. And let's see. There's my little vacuum cleaner. There we go. Some of it's pretty clean, actually. That's very clean. There's not a whole lot going on there. All right, let's check this one. You know what? It's that same audio issue. And it could be the connect, could be the, well, that's my tester tapes. Rugrats. Let's see. Whenever there's the same problem over and over, oh dear. Whenever there's the same issue over and over again, like, yeah, what's going on with this one? Anyway, you get the picture. No pun intended. But that's kind of the workflow, kind of. It is the workflow. I've got to go through all these now, check them. It's just a Saturday night. And yeah, it's looking a lot tidier in here. Thank you for the person that did make the comment the other day that I needed to do a little tidying up, which I could not agree more with. I was going to go up to Flagstaff this weekend, but what the hell? It's the best part of the video.
You own that song, and you know what? Sex sells. We all know that.
Sure. I've never even heard a thing like that before. Some of those words I didn't even know were like that.
Anyway, all right. Well, that's me right now. So good night to you all, and cheers.